Namaste. Welcome, gentlemen. It's Anita Tadavarthi. I'm a licensed acupuncturist with over 20 years of experience. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can have that fuller, firmer erection that you desire. But first, I got to ask you, do you snore? If you snore, it can be preventing you from having the erection that you desire. How does this relate? Well, when you snore, you are actually breathing from your mouth and not your nose. Well, when this happens, you cannot do as much of nasal breathing as you desire. And if you are not getting in that nasal breathing, then you're not getting in as much nitric oxide, which means your testosterone levels can be lower, which also means that you may not have the erection that you desire. So, because this may be happening, I want you to consider doing this 2-point acupressure protocol that I'm about to share with you. This acupressure protocol is going to be phenomenal for you because it is going to help clear out your sinus cavities. It's going to also prevent any headaches and migraines that can be happening. It's also going to clear out the nasal passageways, and also it's going to bring blood flow not only to the back where the ejaculatory reflex is, but also to the front of the body so that that blood flow can build, and it can also bring blood flow to the genitalia. So this is such a great protocol that you can do not only to have a longer, fuller, firmer erection, but also to help you clear out the nasal passageways so that you aren't not snoring, you're getting a deeper sleep, and as a result, you're better equipped to handle stress, and naturally, you'll have a longer, fuller, firmer erection. So this can help you in many different ways. So the first acupressure protocol is on the face, and what you're going to do is you're going to go from the hairline through yin tong, and then you're going to go down the nose. This has a phenomenal compound effect because it not only opens up the sinus cavities, but also the nose, and also in Chinese medicine, the nose represents the genitalia, so you're bringing blood flow to the eggplant. Specifically, it can help relieve the ethmoid and sphenoid, as well as the frontal and maxillary sinus cavities. The next acupressure protocol that I want you to do is what I consider acupressure 1, 2, and 3. You're going to make a fist and bring the fist together and massage. This gets large intestine 4. Now, this point can specifically help you with the maxillary sinuses. It can also help open up the nasal sinus cavity. It can also help you bring blood flow through the spine, including the ejaculatory reflex, so you have more control, in addition to the front of the body, so you're training blood flow to go to the genitalia, and it can bring blood flow to the genitalia. So this is a really powerful point. Next, you're going to do fist on top of fist. You can do right over left or left over right. If you're a lefty, no problem. So you're going to do this. This also can help you to open up not only the nose, but the maxillary sinus cavity, as well as the frontal sinus cavity. This also brings blood flow to your hips and opens up your hips, as well as to the front of the genitalia. So this can also be a very great compounding effect. Lastly, you're going to put your fists together, and this gets to small intestine 3, 4, and 5. That's the acupressure points. These points are going to open up not only the frontal, but ethmoid and sphenoid sinus cavities. It's also going to regulate the back, also to the ejaculatory reflex, as well as to the hips, as well as to the genitalia. So another great point that works in tandem with snoring, nitric oxide, testosterone, and your erection. I want you to consider doing these points for a minimum of 2 minutes. You can do it much longer. Lay in bed doing these points so it will clear up your snoring and your body can heal while you are resting. And also you can do this protocol or previous set of protocols that we have presented to you. Acupressure, acupuncture is the physical therapy of Chinese medicine. So you want to do this consistently till you get 2 weeks where you're like, you know what? I think I'm not snoring and my body is able to function more optimally for me to have an erection. As with all things, you should always check in with your doctor because there may be other things that is preventing your erection from happening. But nonetheless, for the next 2 minutes, follow along with me. Here we go. I wish you all the best. It's Anita Tadabarthi. I wanted to sincerely ask all of you that if there is a certain topic that you want to know more about, please comment down below or attend our lives and let us know. I want to deliver the information that could better your lives, and I have a team of mentors that I work with. Also, all of our social media money, I'm so proud to announce this, goes towards free clinics. So if in your heart you feel compelled to give a donation, click on the first link in the bio and know that every single time you watch my videos, it goes towards the free clinic. Thank you for your support.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which has now been converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pain. There's lots of different types